Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen. I hope that you will consider subscribing. If you are new to my channel, we share lots of fun content over here, so make sure that you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Today I am going to share a really fun unboxing video with you, and this is the dilemma of a YouTuber. So you know you're going to be doing an unboxing and the item that you ordered shows up in the mail and you are not like camera ready for filming that day, but yet you are so anxious to open it up. So that's where I'm at today. I just threw on some ears and I'm like, I have to open this right now because I cannot wait a few days until I can really spend lots of time on makeup and hair and setup and all the things. Like, I just want to open it right now. So what I do every time I go to Disney is I put together some type of a plan, whether it's in a binder or some type of a notebook, and I'll show you what I have used in years past just to give you a general idea. And then recently I was watching my friend Jen LaForge sharing a Limelight Disney vacation planner, and I was completely blown away because this is specific to planning a Disney vacation. It is beautifully put together and it is small enough that you can save it for memory keeping without it taking up a whole lot of space. So in years past, I have used things like Hidden Magic Walt Disney World Planner, and this is great because it has lots of little like folders and things inside, so I was able to save brochures and receipts and stuff. But again, this is pretty big and bulky. I have used the Passporter's Walt Disney World, which is very similar. It has lots of fun things like maps and lots of Disney information. On the back of this are all of these envelopes where you can share like all of your memories and things. So, you know, lots of space for planning, but again, super big and bulky, takes up a lot of space. I have used just plain, regular, you know, typical notebooks that have the like slip page where you can put brochures and things inside as well. And then finally, the famous binders. I have a bunch of these as well, which are super cute, great for planning. But again, you know, these things take up a lot of room. So I am really excited to show you guys what I recently purchased from Limelight Planners, and I will leave my friend Jen's video linked above and below because she does a great play-by-play showing the inside of this planner. Okay, I'll show you the inside too, but she does a really good job, so you can check that out as well. All right, so here it is. Just came in the mail, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Limelight, did I say Limelight? I might have said Limelight. It's Limelight Planners, and here is one of their brochures because they do actually do like regular planners too. So I will need to take a look at that. I usually use plum paper planner, but they seem to have really nice things. Here is a thanks for your first order little postcard. I didn't even realize they're located in Pennsylvania, so that's not too far away from me. How cute is that? And here is the cover, and it's so cute and so specific to Disney with all of these different sayings: Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Epcot, Splash Mountain, Starbucks, Dole Whip. I mean, it says all of the things. And so you can pick out the stickers that you would like to include. There are a large variety of different stickers, and here are some of the stickers that I picked out. And what I'm going to do, oh, look at the inside page. Look at that. That's so cute. What I'm going to do is I will turn the camera around and show you up close and personal like what all of these pages look like, but I just want to quickly actually look at it myself, so because I'm really excited. So here are more stickers and all of these super cute sayings. If you can dream it, you can do it. Magical memories. Really, really cute. All our dreams can come true if only we have the courage to pursue them. Walt Disney. That's one of my favorite quotes. All right, so I am going to turn this around and show you the inside. But again, I was just really anxious to take a look at this. And this is amazing. And like, also, look at how tiny this is. This is so small, so I definitely could purchase this every single year and have some really, really great memory keeping. And I'm really excited to show you guys the inside, and I'm also excited to start planning. So we have already begun planning our Walt Disney World vacation, and I want to really get into this book today and start filling things out because the planning has begun, and I have been waiting to get this to document everything that we're doing. So this is really, really exciting. Let me turn the camera around and show you the inside of this amazing Disney specific vacation planner. Okay, so here is the front cover as I just showed you guys, and then inside we have all of these really adorable stickers, and I love all of the little sayings. If you can dream it, you can do it. Keep moving forward. Look at this with all of the roses. It's so pretty. I love Ursula. I'm a very busy woman and I haven't got all day, so this is just so much fun for planning out your trip. Look at this, the purple wall, really, really cool. So again, you can choose whatever stickers you prefer for your planner, but I did get quite a bit of them. I love these for possibly planning your park days, especially now, current time, you need to schedule your park days. So I might be using these to label which day we're going to be in each park. I feel like these will be great for dining reservations or special events or things like Savi's workshop, where we are likely going to be making lightsabers. So that's something that might be on our list of things to do this year. Sometimes my husband and my son do fishing trips, so this is just like a great way to label those types of things. And then just a lot more really cute decorative stickers. We have all of the numbers, and then all of these flags, which also can be used maybe for things like Fast Pass, if that becomes a thing again, or dining reservations, or just specific things that you need to remember, like booking your dining reservations and your park days and your magic bands and things like that. So that's a great idea. Oh, this is really cute too because it has every single park. So this is also a great way of remembering your park days, which is really a good idea. And then here is the first page. And then over here we have our vacation bucket list. Gather your family and make a list of rides to ride, things to eat, characters to meet, shows to see, and things to buy that would make your vacation amazing. And this is really a great idea because we are traveling with 2 other families, and we're going to get together before the trip to go over what everyone would like to do and see. So this is a great way of keeping track of all of those things. And another wonderful idea here is a vacation savings tracker. And you can use this tracker. It says to set aside the money you need for your vacation. If you fill in all the circles below, you'll save $5,000. So this is pretty amazing. And I know the families that are traveling with us, being a travel agent for Disney, I was already able to save them. I think the one family, I saved them over $2,000 on their trip already with the Disney promo. So, you know, this is a fun way to keep track of those types of savings. And then over here you have a vacation budget worksheet. So you can put like the number of people in your party, the number of days that you're going to be going, the categories, and then the budget, and then what you actually spent. So this is really wonderful, especially for dining, because I am always doing a comparison as to what I budget for dining and what I actually spend, or if the dining plan becomes a thing again, what we spent on the dining plan and then the actual amount that we spent. So I've actually done that in previous trips. I'll leave a link to that above if you want to check it out, but it's interesting to see if you are using enough of the dining plan to make it worthwhile for yourself and your family. And then over here it says 20 magical ways to save money, and there's just lots of tips and tricks here. Bring an extra pair of sunglasses for everyone. Should a pair break or get lost while you're in one of the parks or on a ride, expect to pay about $20 for a new pair. Also, I don't even know if this is in here, but I would say bring extra magic bands, because my daughter has lost her magic band before or lost it in the pool or forgotten to bring it to the park, so keep an extra one in your backpack. And if you did not know, your magic bands from previous years will work. So just throw an extra magic band in your backpack for your kids, because I cannot tell you how many times we have arrived at a Disney park and my little one didn't have her magic band, and it's always such a rush in the morning getting out that I often forget to make sure they all have them. So anyway, that's just a time saver. Okay, so lots of tips here. Another one, don't buy bottled water in the parks. Any Disney quick service food counter will give complimentary ice water, or bring a Swell bottle to keep your ice water super cold all day. So, I mean, a lot of these I already do, but they're great reminders, and I love this whole section. Such a great idea. And then planning ahead, so 12 months before what you need to do, 6 months before, 3 months before, all of the things. And planning ahead continues with 1 month and then 1 week before. Packing list. So this is a great idea, especially if you have a family with young children and you need to make sure that you have certain things. I know for my kids, we have peanut and tree nut allergies, so I always have to make sure I have enough EpiPens with me and Benadryl and things like that. But also, I usually give a packing list to each of my children so that they know what to pack themselves, and then I'll go in and make sure they have everything. So this is just a really great idea for everyone in your family. And there are lots of areas for this. So if you have a large family, I think you're going to be covered. Okay, and then we have an autograph and photo checklist. So this is really cute. It has all of the Disney characters that you can meet in the parks, and you can check them off as you see them. So that's a really fun idea. I used to have a Disney character like dictionary or something, and it had all the Disney characters in it, and I would try to have them sign their page, but it was so big and bulky to carry around. This is a great way of keeping track of everyone that you meet on your trip. And then over here you have an autograph and photo checklist. You can add characters in these areas if they're not on the previous page. And then we have travel plans getting there, so you can document your flight details, your arrival time, travel notes, things like that. And this is cute because see little Mickey Mouse here on Florida and I can like kind of just like show where we fly down to Disney from New Jersey. Actually, on this map it doesn't look like we're too incredibly far away, but it is so far. It's like a 20-hour drive, which is why we usually fly. And then coming home also, here's an area to document your travel getting home. All right, look at how cute this page is. A dream is a wish your heart makes, with a picture of the castle. Really, really cute. And then you have a weekly vacation overview, and this is what I am all about. I love having a play-by-play for every day, and I do have every ride that we're going to be going on and the times of day that we should be going on that ride. I usually refer to the unofficial guide to Walt Disney World, also touringplans.com. They're really good at tracking crowds, so I kind of use that to plan my days. It doesn't always go exactly how I had planned, but I just like to have a general idea of what rides we're going to be going on that makes sense time-wise. And you know, Disney is very expensive and you really want to make the most out of your time there. So I really try hard to avoid waiting on lines for hours, and also I like to see a lot of things. So I think it's really important to have a daily game plan. So this is, anyway, like my favorite thing about this entire planner. And we are actually going for 13 days. So yes, so this will bring me all the way through. This goes up to 14 days, so that is just perfect. It will be able to cover my entire vacation. And then there's a little area here for notes that you can put on the side, which I think is something I will definitely be using. To live would be an awfully big adventure, Peter Pan. Really cute quotes throughout. And then here we have a day by day, which is so amazing. Today's top 5, so you can do like the 5 things that you most want to see or do that day, or you're most anticipating. I would maybe use this area for our fast passes or any character meet and greets that we want to make sure we take advantage of. It has an area for park open and close and the date and the park, and it's just like perfect. It has all of the things. And then over here you can document your breakfast, lunch, and dinner and your snacks that you had that day, and it's just wonderful. And also I usually know in advance what snacks I want to get in each park, and I need to remind myself of that sometimes. So this is a great area to kind of have little reminders of things that you want to eat when you're in Disney. Okay, so we're gonna have that, I guess, throughout all the way up to 14 days, which is amazing. Oh wow, this goes up to day 15. That's crazy. Awesome. So there's plenty of space to document everything that you need. We're going to be going to Universal for a few days, but that's fine because I can still use this layout for those days that we are in Universal. So no matter what, it's going to work out perfectly. And then once you're home, wrapping it up, when you get home and the bags are unpacked, we suggest the following things to make sure you get the most out of your magical vacation. Get your pictures printed, write down what you did on your trip right away, and make a note of what you would do different next time. And this is an area where you can do all of those things. Or you can actually journal it during your trip if you would like. You can use these end pages to do like a day-by-day journal if you wanted to write more. So, and then again, the end pages are just so cute. The end. That's the end of it. Everything in here is so amazing. Really like this, and I think it's a great idea. So now I'm excited to start planning. So I love that I was able to downsize my planners from all of this bulk to this very simple and nicely put together planner, because this, as you can see, this is a lot, and this is so small and compact and just adorable, just so well done. So I'm absolutely loving planning for my Disney vacation in this little tiny planner that also has lots of space for everything that you need to document for your trip. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed taking a look inside of my planner and seeing how I'm using it for our upcoming Walt Disney World vacation. It was lots of fun to share, and this is going to be really exciting to be able to not only plan for the trip, but to document as we are actually in Disney, all of the things that we are doing, and just having a place to write down all of the memories. So really a great idea for a Disney planner fanatic like I am. I will leave a link to Lime Life Planner below. I almost said Limelight again. But anyway, really great product, and they have so many other really nice planners as well. So if you're looking for a planner just for your day-to-day planning, they offer that too. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just knew that I needed to get this for our upcoming Walt Disney World vacation. So hope that you enjoyed seeing everything that is in the specific to a Disney vacation planner. And if you haven't subscribed, again, please go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below how you plan for a Disney vacation. Oh, also, I'm a Disney vacation planner, so if you're not into the whole planning thing, or if you need a little guidance, I would be happy to help. So I also have the travel agency info always linked in the description below. Hope that you guys are all doing well, and I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye.